Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start quickly. Make sure your iPhone has the latest iOS and a recent backup, then go straight to Settings. Once done, open Display and Brightness and look for Auto Lock. This is the primary control. Make sure Low Power Mode is off in Control Center or Settings Battery because it forces Auto Lock to 30s. If Auto Lock is grayed out, keep this screen open while we move to the next checks. Don't change unrelated settings yet. Once Auto Lock is inaccessible, disable Low Power Mode first. That restores timing options. Next, check Screen Time Restrictions because a profile or content restriction can lock display behavior. Turn off content and privacy restrictions briefly. Also inspect VPN and device management for any installed configuration profiles from work or schools. Remove profiles that control Auto Lock. If profiles are present, remove them and restart. Make sure to test Auto Lock choices again in Display and Brightness while the phone is fully active. Now set the Auto Lock interval you want in Display and Brightness and confirm it saves. Once set, restart the iPhone to ensure the change persists. If the option reverts or remains gray, reset all settings. Go to Settings General Transfer or Reset iPhone Reset All Settings. This keeps data but clears system configurations. As a final troubleshooting tip, if problems continue after resetting, contact Apple.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.